itong grupo ni Senator Gatchalian. There is a possible violation of Article 177 of the Revised Penal Code dahil ang kanyang pag-angkin sa posisyon first as Senate President pro tempore violates Article 177 of the Revised Penal Code. Bakit? Because that position belongs to Senator Loren Legarda, the Senate President pro tempore. Therefore, he is in violation of the provision because he is claiming an authority that does not belong to him. He is usurping that authority of Senator Loren Legarda. On second point, he is in violation of Article 177 of the Revised Penal Code for exercising the functions of Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, the Senate President.
Duly elected.
So dalawang beses niya binayolate ang Articles 177 of the Revised Penal Code. Inangkin niya ang posisyon ni Senator Legarda at ginagampanan niya ang functions ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. Another, there may be disorderly conduct on his part. Why? Because he knows that he's in violation of the law and yet he persists in his violation. Continuous. Yun po ang aking point dyan. That's why, as a citizen, we might file the necessary charges against Senator Gatchalian.